1. Remove the packaging. 2. Remove the screws fixed to the wooden board and the dental chair is on the floor. 3. Connect water pipes and wires. 4. Install the water bottle. 5. Install chair pillows. 6. Install the lamp arm. 7. Install the oral lamp. 8. Install dental intraoral camera system. Connect the air compressor. 10. Install doctor chair and assistant chair. 11. Install the paper towels. 12. Put various handpieces in place. 13. Cover the lids of each box. 14. Test each component. Finish. Treatment table button operation, including settings, oral light switch, rinse position water machine settings, etc. Please refer to the instruction manual for details. Suppose the guest is lying on a chair for treatment. We provide the patient with water to rinse his mouth, and the oral lamp is on. Press this button, chair back will automatically move forward, the oral light will turn off, the spittoon will open, press it again to restore to the original state. Press this button, water heating in the water cup. The indicator light flashing indicates that the water is being heated, and the indicator light staying on means that the water heating is complete. And then mouthwash button, spittoon water button. This is the emergency button, used to respond to emergencies. This is to display the air pressure. For example, pick up the hand pieces and step on the pedal, and the screen will display air pressure. The right panel is used to set the memory seats, which can be set up to 9 memory seats. These buttons are the chair lift, the backrest drop, the backrest rise, the chair drop. The last one is the reset button, which restores the lowest state to facilitate guests to get off. Hold this button, and the dental chair will automatically rise to its highest position. After opening the settings function, hold this button. Memory seats can be set continuously or individually. After setting up, press settings again to confirm. After opening the settings function, hold this button. The water spray time of the mouthwash can be set by holding down the button. Time is calculated in seconds. For example, if you hold it for 7 seconds, the system will record the water discharge for 7 seconds. When flushing the cuspidor, press the button once, flush for 3 minutes. Press it a second time 5, flush for 5 minutes. Press it a third time, continue flushing until manually turned off. Press it a fourth time, flush for 15 seconds.
出水的时间是15秒，然后我们出厂设置就是15秒。然后这个是
By pressing this switch, it is easier to move the operation console.
很方便的，不用什么力都可以把它定在这里的。如果你就直接按，它是很吃力的。这里呢是水源调节的。
The 1 Street 3 ARD buttons correspond to each mobile phone position from left to right, and are used to adjust the water source. The 4th is to adjust the atomizer, the 5th is to adjust the water element of the tooth cleaner, and the 6th is to adjust the vibration of the tooth cleaner. Oral lamp strip with induction switch. Light has 3 brightness levels adjustable.
单独的防光。然后感应开关还有一个作用就是
We put our hands in this position, and the light will be turned on first and then dimmed. The first sound will be the dimmest, the second sound will be the brightest.
第一声它是调到最暗的，然后你放这，第二声是最亮的，可以这样试试。还有脚踏，这是空气的。
Foot controller switch left pedal, only water is emitted. Right pedal, only air is emitted. Both can be used at the same time. Left button, clean the cuspidor. Middle button, clean the water in the handpieces. Right button, extract mouthwash.
漱口水，这个是吹弹鱼，这个是手机吹卸的，就是你拿出来的时候你按一下，它会吹一下。 这个脚控球就牙龈上升，它会下降，牙龈下升，然后牙龈上升。这里也是一样，跟那边功能也是。
The assistant console is equipped with corresponding functions, corresponding to the main console. The 4 blue buttons are used to control water heating in the water cup, mouthwash, spittoon water, and mouth light. 4 black buttons are used to adjust the position of the dental chair.
就它现在这样的状况呢，它就是使用自来水的时
The
候。
water dispensing system can be used with bottled water or connected to tap water. If you need to use the water in the water bottle, press and turn on these 3 switches to make it breathe. At this time, we can hear the sound of breathing.